In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate objects in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to select the right element, and how to apply smooth, polished effects that bring your design to life. First, head over to Framer in your browser and open the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and you'll land on the canvas with the Layers panel on the left and the Properties on the right. This is where all the controls for styling and motion live. Take a moment to zoom to a comfortable level and organize your layers so they're easy to recognize. Clear naming helps a lot once you start animating multiple elements. Next, click the object you want to animate. This can be a frame, a button, an image, or even a text layer. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and its properties appear on the right. If your element is inside a group or nested frame, use the Layers panel to drill down until you've selected the exact layer you want. Small tip. If you plan to animate multiple parts of a component, consider selecting each layer individually so you have precise control over their motion. Now click on Effects in the right-hand sidebar. This is where you choose and fine-tune your animation. Start with an appear animation if you want the object to animate when the page loads. Choose a style like fade in, move up, or scale, then set the duration and delay. Shorter durations around 200 to 400 milliseconds feel snappy. Longer times add emphasis. Easing controls how the motion accelerates and decelerates. Ease out is great for entrances, while ease in works well for exits. If you're moving an element, keep the distance subtle, like 8 to 24 pixels, for a refined look. For interactive motion, add a hover or tap effect. A gentle hover scale or a slight lift can make buttons feel more tactile. Keep the values modest so the interface doesn't feel jumpy. You can also use scroll-based effects for parallax or fade-on-scroll moments to guide attention as users move down the page. As you adjust settings, watch the canvas preview update in real time. If you don't see the motion, confirm the layer is visible on the current page and not masked by other elements. That's it. Go to Framer, select the object, then click Effects and choose the motion you want. Keep animations consistent, subtle, and purposeful, and your design will feel polished and responsive.